Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with.
What is up to my queens? Y'all be back with another video. Okay, y'all, I'm so mad. I recorded my whole intro in slow motion, so I gotta redo it. But y'all, I'm just doing like a little mini vlog today. We're already here, so I can say it. My man was supposed to know when he was coming, but we at the Botanical Gardens in Clemson. So yeah, we about to just get out and walk around and vibe. I brought my book bag, so we got our speaker. We got a bottle of wine, you know, all that. So yeah, we're finna just walk, listen to music, vibe, take pictures and stuff, and yeah. And I'm gonna insert a clip of when we first drove in, because I got a video this time, but it was in slow motion. So I'm gonna speed it up a little bit and put it right there so y'all can see it. But other than that, I'm gonna record everything as we go. But yeah, I'm gonna check in once we get on the trail, because I don't know where we at right now. We gotta figure it out. So alright y'all, so we walking down. I'm about to go to the bathroom before we start, because the trail we about to walk ain't no bathroom until like the end of the trail. But trying to get a little bit of content for y'all before I put my camera down to enjoy my scene. I guess this is dinosaur footprint right here.
You know what? This part right here is the footprint.
They both a footprint.
Yeah, I know. I'm saying this is a footprint too.
Oh, I didn't see those.
Yeah,
This is the Tyrannosaurus Rex.
How you know?
Dinosaur train.
Dinosaur train.
Yeah. Or is it it's one of them that only got three feet. I mean 3 fingers on their feet. Toes, whatever. Y'all, it's so pretty out here. And the thing is real big. They got like a bunch of different things that you can walk.
Let's walk this way. So we get on another path.
They got dinosaur gardens.
To the car though, too.
But what else they had?
What?
Dinosaurs, dinosaur trail.
They got other stuff. They got sorry.
I'm just naming some of them, y'all.
They had them what's this shit called for rocks? They got desert garden, Jurassic garden, birding garden, flower display garden.
I heard you can feed the birds in the birding garden.
Oh,
I ain't bring no quarters. You supposed to bring quarters for the feeder thing, huh?
Geographical. Oh no, geology. Yeah, geology museum.
Yeah, they got a museum out here, a geology museum. They got.
You know what geology is?
Yes. It's science of Earth. I know what geology is. Well, yeah, y'all, they got a geology museum. They got like a dinosaur walk. They got a bird trail. On the bird trail, you can like feed the birds and stuff. But I ain't bring no quarter for the feeder, so. Oh, this is where we started.
Yeah, I said this is gonna take us to the car.
Oh.
Alright, y'all. Just the natural heritage trail. You feel me?
We gotta start walking.
We about to start walking that. Look kind of fall. Look kind of not fall, but let's get it.
And this is where we coming from, y'all. Right here. Y'all so beautiful out here.
It could be something in here, so I gotta stay on my P's and Q's. Take my baby.
Okay, the sun feeling good.
Take my shoes off.
Y'all, this is definitely a place to have a picnic or something. Yeah. Okay, y'all. The lady said it's interesting. It got a lot of animals, well, insects and stuff. But it's the Martin Forest. So we right here at B. Y'all, I gotta go see the coastal. I don't know what it said, but somebody got seashells. Guessing that might be what that. Oh no. Yeah, that's a shell ring right there.
What's a shell ring?
That's the one I was just looking at. That's another trail. What it say? Natural Heritage Garden. Oh.
Shell.
Oh well. Now I'm thinking it's gonna be something luxurious. I wonder, can we take one home? Take a ship home. Huh?
If we could, everybody would be probably taking one.
Yeah, I don't think it would be no more. They might have some.
Shit go for miles.
They might have some in the shop too. Oh, y'all look at the cactus. It's my second time seeing a cactus in real life. Yeah. Y'all, it's so pretty out here. I told him, man, we gotta come back so we can have a picnic or something. Hey, what's the area right here? Or you wanna keep walking and find another one? I mean, it don't matter. I'm good for right now. Carnivorous plants. Oh, so that's what the carnivores eat. No, but for real though. And this was one of the sitting areas, y'all. Period.
Exactly, that's what I said. It's rude. Talking about this sound like old people shit.
We about to drink some water real quick.
Some scotty.
Y'all, he drinking it like it's water. You supposed to sip on water. Yo, this is my first time having. First of all, it's Barefoot, so it's not the brand we usually get, but this is my first time having red Moscato. I usually get pink. This.
Shit good, okay.
It ain't that good, y'all. I give it, compared to pink Moscato like a
1 out of 10. What you got?
out of 10. I get it's a red Moscato.
It's about a 7.
About a, yeah. 7.5. The pink Moscato a 9.
Childish. Just, you gotta stay up.
Okay, y'all, so we had the other part. We went and asked the man how to get to the other part, so we had to drive and park on a different side. But this the other part.
Alright, so we walking, right? We don't know which way we gonna go. Cause we got two paths. We got this side.
Yeah.
Which way should we go? That way or that way?
I want to go to
that
the
way.
pink.
Oh, you wanna? She wanna go see the train. Y'all see that train over there? We're about to head that way. But we got go this way to get there.
Okay, y'all, let's say this path may be slippery. We right here, the picnic garden right here. Y'all can see the picnic. That's the picnic garden. This the heritage pond. Here's Squidster.
Wait, you good, my boy? Looking like Theodore.
Theodore's a chipmunk. I don't know if y'all see the raindrops in the water. I know I like raindrops. Yeah. Okay, y'all, we're gonna try to walk the rest of this quick because it's raining now. They have bugs and stuff on them.
I got a knot right here. First time I met you, and blah 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 blah, and then blah blah blah. Ah! What that song?
Starstruck. How do they plant that stuff right there? It must not be too deep.
Nah, they put that thing, they wrap that little wrap thing in there.
Huh?
They put that little wrap thing in there.
Oh. I bet you want to jump in and swim out of the river there. Huh? Oh, but you told me to do it. I can't swim.
You feel it now?
Drip, bitty, drop, bitty, drip, bitty, drop, bitty.
Drip, drop, drippity, drop. Drippity, drop.
I do my dance like drip, drop, drip, drippity, drop.
Alright, y'all. Recording. Alright, y'all. This is called the Cone Cave. I'm about to go in there. And y'all hear that echo? Echo, 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 echo. Y'all, this is called the Cone Cave, right? Jalen already in there. You know, she bad. She dangerous. She live her life like she want to. You feel me? Yeah, I got it like that. But it's all good though. Cause look, we about to go in this Cone Cave. It's a secret little entrance in here that can lead us to little, little something, little treasure, little gold. You feel? Cone Cave. Y'all hear that echo? Goddamn. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, look how cute that is. I can't see it though right now. Come in the light.
Ain't no light in here. The light right there. That's all this is.
Y'all, look at her.
I got lint on my hand.
Top to bottom to top. I say, ooh. That is 40. Oh, we look good, yo. Look good. Let me get this bang. And this is my wife right, bro. I love her to death. So y'all, we coming out the cave, right? So y'all, we coming out the cave. We got so many other paths we can go. We really out here in these trees. Fuck the streets, we in the trees, baby. You feel me? Fuck them streets. We in them trees, we in the forest, we in the woods. I think so.
Yeah, that's the only cabin on here. So, okay, this one cabin right here.
We done broke the goddamn map. Look at it. It's all, I love me some Jalen. I love me some Jalen. Turn around, baby. Tell the camera what you gotta say to them. Oh, you look good in this light too.
I'm hungry and I don't know if I want hibachi on McDonald's. Y'all, we had to stop real quick. We found us a bathroom. But I don't know where we at.
We so lost.
And my feet hurt. I'm ready to go. We're trying to figure out how to get in. Oh boy.
Okay, so let's think back what we done seen.
And then the thing is, when we started walking, we just started taking rental cuts. So we don't even know for real what.
Yeah, cause different paths take you to different spots. We need to keep heading that way.
I knew I should have brought my water bottle. I'm so thirsty.
Still recording.
Yeah. Yeah, we got a long walk.
Got a long way to go.
I took my hat off earlier because it's hot. I'm probably about to take my jacket off. Leave my hat on.
And I ain't got no shirt on it, so I took my shirt off.
Yeah, he took his shirt off. I told him to leave his shirt on.
It started raining, right? It started raining, right? So I was like, shit, I'm going. My bad. know, because I was like, let me go ahead and throw my hoodie on right quick. It's raining. It's got a little breeze going on. Yeah, you feel me? And then I'm like, I'm gonna get hot. I'll just take my shirt off. But she's talking about, so you can't take your shirt off out here. These people gonna, you know how these people gonna do and whatnot. I'm like, man, I ain't wanna hear all that. I got to take my jacket off and be alright. Cause that sun, they just beaming. Look at that.
Bring my camera.
Exactly.
They ain't had a conversation with y'all. I told him leave his shirt on and wear his jacket over it, so that if he do get hot, he just take his jacket off.
All that, y'all. She capping.
So he just take his jacket off. But no, he want to do what he want to do. So now he hot with long sleeves and the hoodie on because he want to put his shirt on this jacket. Yeah, we got a little train thing. But this on the way to our car, so we can just be childish real quick. Y'all already know the vibe. If y'all don't know me, get to know me. It's a vibe over here, baby. Period.
Hey, it's Tilden with the money, T-Money in the cut. It's Jalen, unique lifestyle in this, you feel me? And he is out of here. Gang, peace.